Hello everybody, this is Juan from Novecel. Today I would like to take this opportunity to make this video for our dear customer, our friend Stefano, and also to all our audience. So I would like to explain to you guys how to use this laminator. If you like our video, please subscribe our video for the YouTube channel for latest videos. Please come closer. So this is the laminator for the applying OCA. So when you receive it, so this is one comes apart, so you have to use the screw to screw this handle on it, and this is the vacuum pump that you can receive, because this one comes just with a tube without vacuum pump, so you have to buy this apart. But I would like to make this two like together, like combo, so you can buy together. As soon as you receive this one here, we're gonna send you another connector, or we already put on it, or you have to do this by yourself. When you receive it, you just put this tube on it, just connect it, then that's it. We want to use it, so just press this one and it will start. So now this is the check. But normally we can put this one on it, so in position, then we start. So use the cleaning cloth. Just clean it. So now here I have to use this order. Check. Okay. You can hear the sound. It's like so it will be okay. Now you're supposed to use a strong sticker. Use a strong sticker on it. Check. Do like this. Then it's okay. Okay. Just some little bubbles. I will put it to the bubble remover. Okay, we have put there for 5 minutes, so now let's check how it works. See, you check now everything position, every corner in position, and no bubbles at all. So this machine did a very good job. I know some of you guys, you've seen people like do this by hand, or some people they do this by this automatic machine, but I prefer this one with hand. So it will help you to apply the OCA very well, and no any mechanic problems. Thanks everybody, thanks for watching this video. If you have any more questions, please contact us or subscribe our channel for latest videos. Thanks, have a nice day.